भीगी हरो हनु मान महाप्रभु, जो कछु संकट ओई हमारो। कौन जो संकट मोर गरीब को, जो तुमसे नहीं जात है तारो। जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई, कृपा करो महाराज। 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 तन में तुम्हारे शक्ति विराजे, मन भक्ति से बिना। तन में तुम्हारे शक्ति विराजे, मन भक्ति से बिना। जो जन तुम्हारे शरण में आए, जो जन तुम्हारी शरण में आए, दुख दर्द हर लीना हनुमत, दुख दर्द हर लीना। महावीर प्रभु हम दुखियन को, महावीर प्रभु हम दुखियन को, तुम हो गरीब निवार हनुमत, तुम हो गरीब निवार हनुमत। जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई, कृपा करो महाराज। जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई, राम लखन वैरी तुम पर सदा रहे हर्षाए। राम लखन वैरी तुम पर सदा रहे हर्षाए। हृदय चीर के राम सिया का, हृदय चीर के राम सिया का, दर्शन दिया करारे हनुमत, दर्शन दिया करारे। दो कर जोर रज हनुमंता, दो कर जोर रज हनुमंता। कहियो प्रभु से आज हनुमत, कहियो प्रभु से आज हनुमत। जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई, कृपा करो महाराज। जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई, कृपा करो महाराज। जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई, कृपा कृपा करो Sitaram devotees, and welcome to our Hanuman Chalisa Path on this wonderful Tuesday evening, live from the America Sivarsham Sangha. We have just listened to Bayanu. We will listen to one more bhajan before we sing in one voice the Sri Hanuman Chalisa. We will listen to by Mitra Seru.
कृपा करो महावीर, दया करो महावीर, कृपा करो महावीर, दया करो महावीर, जन पर कृपा करो महावीर, जन पर दया करो महावीर, जन पर कृपा करो महावीर, जन पर दया करो महावीर, कृपा करो महावीर, जन पर कृपा करो महावीर, जन पर दया करो महावीर। राम काज अवतार लियो है, धर्म धुरंधर वीर, हो राम काज अवतार लियो है, धर्म धुरंधर वीर, सीता सुध को राम पतायो, सीता सुध को राम पतायो, उजरे सिंधु तीर, जन पर कृपा करो महावीर, जन पर दया करो महावीर, जन पर कृपा करो महावीर, जन पर दया करो महावीर। लंका जारी सिय सुध सुध लाई, आए उजले तीर, हो लंका जारी सिय सुध सलाई, आई उजले तीर, कपिदल सहित राम यहाँ आए, कपिदल सहित राम यहाँ आए, महातीजे रघुवीर, जन पर कृपा करो महावीर, जन पर दया करो महावीर, जन पर कृपा करो महावीर, जन पर दया करो महावीर। लाल लंगोटी सिंदूर विराजे, सुंदर शुभ गशरी, ओ लाल लंगोटी सिंदूर विराजे, सुंदर शुभ गशरी, सूरदास पर कृपा कीजे, सूरदास पर कृपा करो महावीर, दया करो महावीर, कृपा करो महावीर, दया करो महावीर, जन पर कृपा करो महावीर, जन पर दया करो महावीर, जन पर कृपा करो महावीर, जन पर दया करो महावीर.
Beautifully done. Thank you very much, Bhai Mitra. Devotees and friends, again I would like to welcome each and every one of you to our Hanuman Chalisa Path on this wonderful Tuesday evening, live from the Americas Sivarsham Sangha. Devotees, at this time in one voice we will sing and chant the verses of the Sri Hanuman Chalisa before we listen to tonight's pravachan by our Revered Swami Shiveshwananda Ji Maharaj.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मन मुकुर सुरार, वरनो रघुवर विमल जसो, जो दायक फल चार, बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके, सुमिरो पवन कुमार, बल बुद्धि विद्या देह मोहि, हर क्लेश विकार. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर, रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा, महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमत निवार सुमत के संगी, कंचन बरन विराज सुवेशा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा, हाथ वज और ध्वजा विराजे, कान मोर जनेऊ साजे, शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन, विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर, प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया, सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियाहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा, भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे, लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए, रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिया भरत संभाई, सहस बदन तुमरो यश गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे, सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित ईशा, यम को विदित पाल जाते, कवि को विद कहीं सके कहते, तुम पुकार सु विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। युग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लीलोताहि मधुर फल जानू। प्रभु मुद्रिका मिले मुख माही, जल दिलाए गए अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, शुभ मनोग्रह तुम्हारे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होतन आज्ञा मिलते सारे। सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक कामो को धरना। आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक आपके कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग रे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन कर्म वचन ज्ञान जो लावे। राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा, है पर से जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबर पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्ति कराई। और देवता चित नादरहि, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करहि। संकट कट मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो शत बार पाठ कर कोई, बंदी महासुख होई। जो या पर हनुमान चालीसा, कोई सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, की जनात हृदय मदेरा। की जनात हृदय मदेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसो सुर बोलो पवन सुत हनुमान की जय.
Thank you very much. The wonderful verses of the Sri Hanuman Chalisa. Devotees and friends, again I would like to welcome each and every one of you for joining us for Hanuman Chalisa Path live from the America Sivarsham Sangha. Devotees and friends, at this time it's my honor to ask our Reverend Somji to deliver tonight's pravachan. But before we do so, we will sing the Ramayana Sumiran.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार निज मन मुकुर सुधार बरनौ रघुबर बिमल सो जो दायक बोझहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या दे हरहु कलेश विकार सियावर रामचंद्र की जय शरण जो सुमिरत सिद्धि हो गणनायक करिवर जनम करो अनुग्रह सो गुण शरणम मोक होई वाचा पंगु चरे गिरिवर गणम जासु कृपा सुदया द्रवण सकल कलिमल गणम नील सरोवर कुंद इंदु समदे कुमार मन करुणायन जाई दिन परने करु कृपा मर्दन बंदौ गुरु परिकन कृपा सिंधु नर रूप मोह तम कुंद जासु वचन रवि कर निकरा जासु वचन रवि कर निकरा जासु वचन रवि कर निकरा.
Sitaram, everyone. Welcome to America Seva Ashram Shanga Hanuman Chalisa Path, our online satsang. I would like to thank all of you for joining us on our Facebook live stream on this beautiful Tuesday evening. I would also like to thank our devotees who made this satsang possible, by G. Vijay Bisram, who is our video and sound engineer and our master of ceremonies, and our very talented musicians, by G. Mitra Zero, by, by Henry Bisram, by G. Ano Bishu, and by G. Ashwin Seru, and our kitchen staff, Nick and Priya Tribuan, and Auntie Nanda. I would like to continue reading from Kishkinda-Kand, where I left off last Tuesday. Just to recap, Sugriv had made a promise to Sriram that after he became the king of Kishkinda, he would help Sriram locate Mother Sita, who was kidnapped by Ravan. After he ascended the throne, the rainy season came on, so searching for Sita was not possible until the rains were over. But even when the rainy season was over, Sugriv did not make any effort to search for Sita Ma. In fact, throughout the entire rainy season, he was lost in deep sensuality, deep in worldly pleasures. So deep that he gave the kingdom to be run by his ministers, especially Hanumanji, while he was lost in his own enjoyment. It was when Sri Ram sent Lakshman to remind Sugriv of his promise, and Lakshman twanged his bow, threatening to destroy Kishkinda. It was then Sugriv came to his senses. And so now he goes to seek pardon from Sriram for the wrong that he did. In this Chaupai from Kishkinda-Kand of the Ramcharitmanas, Tulsidas writes,
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
नाई चरण सिर कहा कर जोरी, नाट मोहि कछु नाही न कोरी। नाई चरण सिर कहा कर जोरी, नाट मोहि कछु नाही न कोरी।
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
अतिशय प्रबल देवतव माया, झूठ राम करहु जोदाया। अतिशय प्रबल देवतव माया, झूठ राम करहु जोदाया।
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, 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 Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
नाई चरण सिरु कह कर जोरी. When Sugriv saw Sri Ram, he clasped his hands and he fell at the Lord's feet. And then he spoke. What he said is very intriguing, very, very interesting. Not mohi kachu nahi na kori. O Lord, I am not at fault. Sugriv, who was lost in Maya, worldly enjoyments, forgetting his promise to Sri Ram, now comes to the Lord, falling at his feet, clasping his hands. Hey Prabhu, I am not to be blamed. And then he says, Atisai Prabal Deva Tava Maya Chutai Rama Karahu Jo Daya. Exceedingly powerful, O Lord, is your Maya. Lord, I blame it on Maya. And that is what I've entitled my katha this evening, Blame It on Maya. When we forget God, when we're lost in worldliness, we blame it on Maya. Let us examine what this Maya is. Our saints and sages tell us Maya is delusion, which makes the permanent appear impermanent, and vice versa. Maya makes us see everything in a reverse way. We see everything ulta, as they say. We know that his body would only last for a while, for a few years, 75, 80 years, relatively few years. We know that the things that we run after, we may lose them the next day when we gain them. You may gain a kingdom today and the next day you lose it. We know that nothing is guaranteed. We know that very well. But yet we go on chasing after them, after these things. We know that God is real. We know that in God lies our true happiness. That the joy of God is all fulfilling. It is what our souls truly crave. But even though we know this, we don't seek God, at least not with intensity necessary to find Him. So worldly things, though fleeting, draw us as if they were, as if we would have them forever. Our saints and sages tell us that it was a similar thing. Before we were born in our mother's womb, when we were just the fetus, we promised God. You know, in our mother's womb, we remember all our past lives. We remember that we didn't find God in those births, so we promised God, according to what our saints tell us, according to what our scriptures tell us. Lord, in this life, I will strive hard to know you. We make that promise. But as soon as we see the light of day, Maya takes over and we forget that promise. Imagine Sri Ram, the Lord of the world, was so close to Sugriv. But Sugriv left the Lord, went to his kingdom, and was lost in sensuality. The Lord, who was his dear friend, closest of the close, he ran away from. And the things which would put him into trouble, he was lost in them. So, it's a classic case of blaming it on Maya. Lord, I am not to be blamed. It is Maya. Maya which affects even the Devas. How can I escape from that Maya when even more powerful beings than I am, they cannot escape Maya? In another part of Ramcharitmanas, Tulsidas says that when we die and we haven't found God, again we blame Kalahi. We blame time. We didn't have enough time. Karmahi. It was my destiny. It was my karma. What can I do? Ishvarahi. We blame God, but never do we blame ourselves. Sugriv says, Lord, That your Maya is so powerful, it affects even saints and sages, it affects even the devas. One day, Narad visited Lord Krishna when Lord Krishna was playing his flute in the jungle. And he asked the Lord, "Oh Lord, what is Maya?" Lord Krishna did not answer. After a while, Lord Krishna said, "Narad, I'm very thirsty. Can you please go search for water and bring some for me?" So Narad went in search of water. And he traveled far into the jungle until he came to the other side where there was a village. He saw these young girls were going to the well to fetch water, as is the custom in India. You will see the ladies and the young girls, they will fetch water on pots on their heads, far, far distances. So Narad went to the well and he saw one of these girls, young girls, very attractive. He forgot that he had to take water for Lord Krishna. In fact, he followed the girl home and asked her father for her hand in marriage. And so Narad got married and he raised a family. But then a flood came and he lost his family in that flood. They all died. He somehow survived. He was searching, hoping against hope that he would find them somewhere, or at least find their bodies to bring closure. And as he was searching, he came upon Lord Krishna, and Krishna said, "Narad, I'm thirsty. Where is the water?" Narad said, "Water, Lord? My family is all lost, presumed dead, and you're asking me for water?" Lord Krishna smiled, waved his hand, and everything disappeared. There was no wife, there was no family, there was no flood, there was nothing. And Narad stood gazing at the Lord. He was trembling. "What is this, Lord? Just now all this was present and now nothing." And then Lord Krishna said, "Narad, do you remember you asked me what is Maya? This is Maya." The Lord doesn't mean that it is wrong to get married or to raise a family, but the Lord is showing Narad that when we're so caught up in the things of this world, we forget Him. Narad forgot the Lord and the water he was supposed to carry for the Lord. He was only consumed by his own worldly problems. When worldly problems keep our attention 100% focused on ourselves and we forget God, then that is Maya. Sugriv says, "Chutai Ram Karahu Jau Daya." This Maya is so powerful, Lord, that it can only be removed by your grace. Only if you wish it to be removed. If you're merciful to that being, only then it can be removed. Otherwise, it is impossible to get rid of this Maya. It was a similar thing that Surat and Samadhi, they asked the same question of Rishi Medas in Chandipat. Surat was a king who was driven out of his kingdom. He was more than a king, he was an emperor. He lost his empire. He even lost his original kingdom. His ministers chased him out because he was such a weak king. And yet, even though he was in a holy man's ashram, all he was thinking about his kingdom. I've lost my kingdom. I won back my kingdom. He was unaffected by the holy vibrations of the ashram of Rishi Medas. And Samadhi was a trader, a businessman who was very successful, but his family stole all his money and his own sons chased him out. Get out from here, we don't want you. And even though he was now a pariah, he was thrown out and wandered and eventually went to the hermitage of the holy Rishi. He was thinking about his family. Are they well? The very people who chased him out, who were cruel to him, are they well? Is everything okay with them? So they were puzzled. Surat and Samadhi, when they met, they exchanged stories. They said, why are we doing this? We can't help ourselves. Let us go and ask the holy man, why are we doing this? Why, Surat is saying, why do I still hanker after the kingdom even though it gave me so much pain? And Samadhi said, why do I still think about these ungrateful people who chased me away? Then Rishi made us answer them the same way. It is Maya. It is delusion. It is a powerful delusive force from the Divine Mother. Only if she wishes, only then it can be overcome. So Sugriv says, Lord, I blame it on your Maya. Your Maya is so powerful. Only you can remove this Maya. In this next Chaupai, Tulsidas writes,
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama
Visaya Basya Sura Nara Muni Swami. My power pasu kapi atikami. Visaya Basya Sura Nara Muni Swami. My power pasu kapi atikami.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama
Nari Nayan Sar Jahi na laga. Nari Nayan Sar Jahi na laga. Gora Krora Tam Nisi Jo Jaga. Gora Krora Tam Nisi Jo Jaga.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama
Bishaya Basya Sur Nar Muni Swami. My power Pashu Kapi Atikami. Devas, even Devas, sages, ordinary grihastis, O my Swami, O my Master, all are slaves of their lust. All are slaves of their senses. And they are considered to be more evolved than I am. I am just a Pashu. I am just a monkey. I am just an animal. If they cannot control their senses, Lord, how can I do that? Intradev, the very king of the Devas, one day he saw the beautiful Ahilya. Ahilya was the wife of Gautama Rishi. And he was so captivated by her beauty that lust entered his heart. He waited until Gautama Rishi early in the morning would go by the river to offer his daily prayers. And then he assumed the form of Gautama Rishi. And he went to Ahilya with urgent desire and committed a great sin. Even Indra, the king of the Devas, fell a victim of lust, a victim of his senses. O Ram, if the king of the Devas can become a victim of the senses, what about me? I am a Pashu, who Prabhu? I am just an animal. I am just a monkey. Nahush, a great bhakta of Lord Shiva, when he ascended the throne of heaven, when he became the next Indradev, when he saw Sachi, the wife of the previous Indradev, lust entered his heart. And that lust drove him crazy. He asked the Saptarishis to bear his palanquin that he could go to her house and marry her. And we know how that ended for him. That he kicked one of the Saptarishis and he was given the strap to fall to earth to become a snake because he behaved like a snake. So even Devas, can you imagine that? If even the king of the Devas could become a victim of Maya, of his senses. How great our Guru Maharaj is. I've read his life. It is amazing. Many sages, they have attained to great heights through failures. They have fallen many times, but they have conquered eventually. But in the life of our Guru Maharaj, Acharya Swami Pranavanandaji Maharaj, can you imagine? In his life, he never lost a single drop of his vital fluid. A human being, a god, even a god cannot do that. Such a one is called an Udaritas. That is what our scriptures call such a person, Udaritas, one who has perfect self-control. And in such a one, that vital fluid travels up the spine to the brain, where the state of God union is achieved. We then can appreciate something of whom our Guru Maharaj is, his spiritual stature. Even the gods cannot compare to his spiritual level. He is one with the infinite always. So, Sugriv is saying that gods, sages, men, every single person, if a person tells you he doesn't have to fight this battle, he's lying to you. If a person pretends that he's above the senses, he's lying to you. Those who go against the tide appreciate the strength of the current. But the difference between a sadhaka and an ordinary person, the ordinary person gives in to his senses, whereas the sadhaka keeps on fighting. No matter how many times he or she is knocked down, that person gets up and fight again. And with each victory, new strength comes to fight a greater battle. So this is the strength of the senses. Therefore, Sugriv is saying, Lord, don't blame me. In the scale of evolution, I am an animal lower than human beings, lower than Grihastis, lower than sages, lower than devas. And if they cannot control their lust, then what about poor me, Lord? So my Lord, blame it on Maya. It was your Maya which caused me to behave this way. And it is only if you show me your mercy can I rise above this Maya and so be always thinking of you, Lord. In this next chaupai, Tulsidas writes,
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
तब रघुपति बोले मुस्काई, तुम प्रिय मोहि बरत जिमि भाई, तब रघुपति बोले मुस्काई, तुम प्रिय मोही भरत जिमि भाई।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
अब सोई जतनु कराहु मन लाई, जही बिरि सीता गाई सुधि पाई। अब सोई जतनु करहु मन लाई, जही बिरि सीता गाई सुधि पाई।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, 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 श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
How do we describe a saint? Someone said a saint is a sinner who never gave up. And that pretty much sums it up. That to become a saint, we have to undergo many struggles. Many times we fail. But we have to keep on keeping on, spiritually speaking. But you know what is important to God? Not that we're defeated so many times. What is important to God is that we want to change. We want to become better. We're sorry for the sins we committed and we want to be better. When we go to God with this attitude, even if our sins are as high as the Himalayas, if we're the worst sinner in the whole world, but if we want to change and if we want God's help, and we go to God and ask for His help, the Lord doesn't see us as the worst sinner. The Lord looks at our heart. Yes, my child wants to change. He has had enough of this world. He wants to change. God's love is unconditional. And so, Sri Ram saw that Sugriva was sorry for his mistake, for what he had done, and he wanted to change. Hey Prabhu, bless me that I rise above this Maya, Lord. Have compassion on me, Lord. And recognizing that, Taba Raghupati Bole Musukai. Sri Ram smiled. Musukai. The Lord recognized the sincerity of Sugriv. Yes, he committed sins, but he was sorry. He wanted to change. He didn't want to commit those sins again. And then what did the Lord say? The Lord said, "O Sugriv, you are, brother, as dear to me as Bharat. Tuma priya mohi Bharat jimi bhai." Can we imagine how dear Bharat is to Sri Ram? We cannot possibly understand because of Bharat's total devotion, always thinking of Sri Ram. But here he's telling Sugriv, one who had committed a great blunder, a great sin in his life, because he was repentant. The Lord is saying, "O Sugriv, you are as dear to me as my own dear brother Bharat. Now then, with all your heart, endeavor to get tidings of Sita. Now let us forget about your flaw and let us focus our minds on the task at hand, on finding Sita." So my friends, Ajamil, another example to show you how kind God is. Ajamil was a Brahmin, had a beautiful family. But it is said that when he was walking one day, he saw a young boy and young girl coveting. And instead of keeping his eyes on his own business, that is why Guru Maharaj always advised his children, keep your eyes downwards if it is safe to do so, that way you'll not be tempted by what you see. He saw and saw greater lust entered his heart. You know, in one part of India they have 3 monkeys, and one monkey has its palms over its eyes, one over its ears, one over its mouth, meaning that see no evil, speak no evil, hear no evil. Ajamil, even though he had a wonderful family, he thought he wanted to enjoy life more, so he left his own family and went to live with a questionable woman, a woman of questionable character. Spend the rest of his life with that woman of low morality, whereas he had no more thoughts about his own family, who were his family members who were so trusting and loving. And when he was about to die, perhaps of some good he did earlier in his life, he asked God for forgiveness. Lord, I committed a great sin. I did great wrong, Lord. Please give me a second chance. Please do not take my life. Give me some more time to atone for my sins. I will go back to my family and I will make sure that this wrong that I did is corrected. And even though he had sinned so much, the Lord gave him a second chance. So kind God is. So Sri Ram smiled, so grieve, do not worry. I've forgiven you. Now let us focus our minds on finding Mother Sita. In this concluding Doha, Tulsidas writes,
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Siya Ram Jai Ram Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai
यही बीरे होता बत कही आए बानर झूठा नाना भरन सकल दिसी देखिया की सबरूता यही विधि होता बत कही
जय जय राम सिया राम जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय सियापति रामचंद्र की जय शरण.
Whatever we can do for the Lord, even if our ability is not much, the Lord appreciates it. When they were building the bridge to cross the ocean to go to Lanka, whereas the physically powerful Vanars were lifting huge rocks to throw into the water to build the bridge, there was this little squirrel which was rolling on the ground, and a few grains of sand will stick to its fur. Then it will go on the bridge and shake its body so that a few grains would fall on the rocks. And so the Vanars made fun of the squirrel. What a stupid creature. What can it do? Can it build bridge with a few grains of sand? But when Sri Ram noticed what the squirrel was doing, he took the squirrel on his lap and gently rubbed its fur and said, I appreciate so much what you're doing for me. That was the squirrel's ability to fetch a few grains of sand. Even though it was not much in the eyes of the Vanars, in God's eyes, it meant so much. The Lord blessed the squirrel. So when Sri Ram saw that all the Vanars coming in from different directions, the army was coming in to begin its search of Mother Sita, he felt very pleased, very happy. So dear ones, whatever we do for God, no matter how big, no matter how small, whatever ability is, God appreciates that very much. And so I would like to end with that thought that God loves us very much and He appreciates what we do for Him very much. And even if we have made the worst mistakes, even though if we've committed the worst sins, and who have not made mistakes, if we're sorry, if we want to change our lives, if we want to get back home to God, if we want to escape from this Maya, God is ready, willing, and able to help us go back home to His wonderful land of eternal peace, which is our true home. May we all be so blessed. May Hanumanji and Sri Ram bless us all. Om Shanti, 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 Hari Om.
Thank you very much, Swamiji, as you continue your wonderful discourse from the Sri Ramcharitmanas. Thank you very much for your wonderful pravachan tonight. Devotees and friends, please do remember to join us next Tuesday night promptly at 7:30 p.m. for another edition of our Hanuman Chalisa Path, live from the America Sivashram Sangha. Devotees will have two wonderful bhajan, one by Mitra, followed by Anu, before we sing the Hanuman Arti.
बनवासी बन राज दुलारी, बनवासी बन राज दुलारी, सबसे नाता तोड़ चले, चोर चले, आज हमारे राम अयोध्या चोर चले, चोर चले, आज हमारे राम अयोध्या चोर चले, बनवासी बन राज दुलारी, सबसे नाता तोड़ चले, और आज हमारे राम अयोध्या चोर चले, चोर चले, आज हमारे राम अयोध्या चोर चले। बन कर लक्ष्मण जैसा भाई, चलो राम का सेवक बन कर लक्ष्मण जैसा भाई, चली जानकी बन कर अपनी प्रीतम की परछाई, नर नारी पशुपन चाहे सबका मन अतुला का तोर चले, मुख मोर चले, आज हमारे राम अयोध्या चोर चले, चोर चले, आज हमारे राम अयोध्या चोर चले। जैसे बिछड़े बन जाने पर देखा कर की गया, जैसे बिछड़े बन जाने पर देखा कर की गया, वैसे ही रो रो कर देखे राम लखन को मैया, माया ममता माया ममता सबसे नाता तोड़ चले, रुख मोड़ चले। आज हमारे राम अयोध्या छोड़ चले, छोड़ चले। आज हमारे राम अयोध्या छोड़ चले। लक्ष्मण बिना महल है सोना, सीता बिना रसोई हो। लक्ष्मण बिना महल है सोना, सीता बिना रसोई। राम बिना है सोनी अयोध्या, सारी पर जरोई। छोड़ के की गलियों के नाता, तू से नाता तोड़ चले, मुख मोड़ चले। आज हमारे राम अयोध्या छोड़ चले, छोड़ चले। आज हमारे राम अयोध्या छोड़ चले। बनवासी बन राज दुलारे, बनवासी बन राज दुलारे। सबसे नाता तोड़ चले, हर मुख मोड़ चले। आज हमारे राम अयोध्या छोड़ चले, छोड़ चले। आज हमारे राम अयोध्या छोड़ चले।
Thank you very much, Bhai Mitra. Devotees and friends, again I would like to thank each and every one of you for joining our Hanuman Chalisa Path on this wonderful Tuesday evening, live from the America Sevashram Sangha. We will now listen to Bhai Anu following the Hanumanji Aarti.
वो फूल अब तक चुन पाया, जो फूल चढ़ाने हैं तुझे पर। वो फूल अब तक चुन पाया, जो फूल चढ़ाने हैं तुझे पर। मैं तेरा द्वार न दूं सीता प्रभु, पद पर हाऊ डगर डगर। वो फूल अब तक चुन पाया, जो फूल चढ़ाने हैं तुझे पर। मुझ में ही दोष रहा होगा, मन तुझको अर्पण कर न सका। तू मुझको देख रहा कब से, मैं तेरा दर्शन कर न सका। हर दिन हर पल चलता रहता संग्राम कहीं मन के भीतर। मैं तेरा द्वार न दूं इसका प्रभु, बद रहा हूँ गगर गगर। वो फूल अब तक चुन पाया, जो फूल चढ़ाने सब भूल मेरे, मैं उलझा हूँ इन बातों में। दिन खोया चांदी सोने में सोया मैं, बेसुरी रातों में तब ध्यान किया मैंने तेरा। टकराया से पग तट पत्थर, मैं तेरा द्वार धूम से तापरूं, बद कर रहा हूँ गगर गगर, वो फूल न अब तक चुन पाया, जो फूल चढ़ाने हैं तुझ पर। मैं धूप छाव के बीच कहे माटी के तन को लिए फिरा, उस जगह मुझे थामा तूने। मैं भूले से जिस जगह गिरा, अब तू ही पक दिखला मुझको। सदियों से हूँ घर से बेघर, मैं तेरा द्वार धूम से तापरूं, मत कर रहा हूँ गगर गगर, वो फूल न अब तक चुन पाया, जो फूल चढ़ाने हैं तुझ पर, जो फूल चढ़ाने हैं तुझ पर, जो फूल चढ़ाने हैं तुझ पर। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ दला की, दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ दला की, आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। जागे बल से गिरिवर काटे, रोग दोष जाके निकटन काटे। अंजलि पुत्र महाबलदाई, संतन के प्रभु सदा सहाई। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, आरती की जय हनुमान लला की। देवी रघुनाथ बताए, लंका जारी सिया सुरिलाए। लंका सकोट समुद्र सिकाए, जात पवन सुत बारन लाई। लंका जारी असुर संहारे, सिया राम जी के काज सवारे। आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, आरती की पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिविद्यानगण्यं वन्दे विष्णो भवभयहरणं सर्वलोके कनातनं सर्वलोके कनातम् ॐ त्वमेव माता त्वमेव बन्धो त्वमेव विद्या त्वमेव सर्वं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवा ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः हरि ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। प्रेम से बोलो महावीर स्वामी की
जय
प्रेम से बोलो श्री श्री जगत गुरु महाराज की
जय
प्रेम से बोलो सनातन धर्म की
जय।